There's a powerful feature in PowerPoint which many presenters are not aware of. Before I tell you what the feature is, let me show you how that feature would actually help you. Let us say you have a master slide deck like this about your company. The slide deck has slides that are relevant to different sets of people. For example, we have a title slide and 4 common slides that talk about the basics of the company. Then we have a set of slides that are relevant only to the legal department. Then there are a set of slides relevant only for finance team, then a couple of slides relevant only to HR team, and then a few slides relevant only to sales team. And then we conclude it with a common slide once again, which is about the contact us details. Now you might ask, why would you have a slide deck like this, which has slides relevant only to certain specific departments? There is a very practical reason for it, and that is version control. For example, if you were to break this presentation into 4 different presentations relevant only to certain departments, then if there is any change that needs to be made in the common slides, then you may need to update the information in all 4 presentations because the information is relevant to all 4 audience. That in itself leads to a lot of clerical errors. And by any chance, if you forget to update the information in any one slide deck, then your presentation deck will look inconsistent. So it is very practical to have a master slide deck like this where you can keep it updated by just making changes in one place. But then the issue with a setup like this is when you make a presentation to your audience, then let us say you want to present to finance team, then you have to visibly skip these slides, which may not look professional and also might give the impression that you are holding some information from them. So what is the solution for this? How can you have one master slide deck like this, but show slides that are relevant only to certain specific audience? That is what we are going to see today with a very useful feature inside PowerPoint called Custom Slideshow. Before I tell you how to use that option, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We help professionals like you create engaging presentations. Let me show you how to set up Custom Slideshow. You go to Slideshow tab, then go to this option here called Custom Slideshow. Click on the drop-down menu and go to Custom Shows. Now you can create your own custom show. Let me show you what it is, and then you will understand how it can be used in different ways. Let me go to New. Let us say I want to create a presentation that is relevant only for legal team. Then I can call this as legal, and I can select the slides that are relevant only to legal team. So I'm going to select the first few common slides. As you can see here till common 4, I have all the slides that are common. Then I will tick only the slides that are relevant to the legal team. And then I go all the way down and include the contact us details and say add. Now you can see that these are the slides that will show, and only these slides will show whenever I make a presentation relevant only to legal team. Now I also have the option to move these slides up or down. For example, I can say legal 2, I can move it up or I can move it down. And once I'm happy with the set of slides and their order, I can say OK. Now I have a new option here called legal. Next, let me make a custom show relevant only for sales team. So I'm going to say new, and let us say I'm going to call this as sales team. Once again, I'm going to choose the common slides, which are the first few. And then I go all the way down and say this is relevant only for the sales team. So these are the slides that are relevant only for sales team. And then I pick up this common one and I say add, make the adjustments in terms of the order and say OK. Now I have 2 custom shows. Now let me close this. On the day of the presentation, let us say I want to address only legal team. Then I can go to Slideshow tab, go to Custom Show, and you can see the relevant audience that I need to choose. So for legal, I just click on this and instantly it opens up the presentation relevant only for the legal team, because this is the first slide, second, third, fourth, fifth, which are all common slides. And then it goes to the legal team's slides. And then it directly jumps to contact us slide. So there is no confusion whatsoever and it looks pretty organized. Now let me hit escape. And next time I say that I want to make presentation only to the sales team, then I can go to Slideshow once again, go to Custom Show, and here I can pick up sales team, and instantly this opens up and we have the common slides shown, and it directly jumps to the slides that are relevant to the sales team and then contact us. And when you see in the back end, it is one master slide deck, and I can make my changes to any of these slides and it will be relevant for all the 4 audiences, and therefore I don't have to worry about the version control here. So if you are someone who needs to make presentations to different sets of audiences who may all have different requirements, then this kind of an option really can add a lot of value to you. And what I had shown you is just one of the less known features of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is full of surprises. There are so many features in PowerPoint that are not normally known or are underutilized. If you want to use PowerPoint to its fullest and with a lot of creativity, I highly recommend that you check out this program called as Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program. It is arguably the most comprehensive and creative PowerPoint training program available online. So click on the link in the description box below the video and check out more details about this product. If you liked this tutorial, then you will really love this other tutorial that I've created called All About PowerPoint Slide Master from Basic to Advanced. Even if you already know how to use Slide Master, this video will show you some very interesting options that you may not be aware of earlier. This is a very popular video which has more than 927,000 views already. So I recommend that you watch that video next. The link is right now on your screen. Click and watch that video and I'll see you inside that video next.